All right, guys, I don't know if you can hear me. We got somebody over here pressure washing when I'm trying to cook. But anyway, we got something good coming up today, y'all. Fish on the grill. Yeah, boy. Roll and grill. Pit life. Y'all stay tuned. All right, almost ready to go. Since we're grilling, we're gonna leave the top off. We're just gonna let it look inside. We're just gonna let it heat on up. Come on up to temp. Right now it's at, right now it's just starting off. So we want that sucker at probably at about 350, maybe 400 for this fish. Maybe 350. I don't know if I want to go 400 for the fish. So y'all stay tuned. We're getting real hot. Yeah, boy. Lid off for too long. This is what happens. That sucker will prime on out. I'm at 500 degrees. And that sucker is hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap the lid on it, choke it down a little bit. It's just an FYI. Watch this drum smoker if you're leaving the lid off. If you're searing some steaks, perfect. But this fish ain't gonna make it at 500 degrees. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys. What we have here today is a fish by the name of Dorade. It's a fish that derives from Greece. We went to the farmer's market today and picked this up. This is one of them. I had them take off all of the fins and everything and just basically clean it out for me, as you can see right there. So what I'm going to do, get all of this out of the way. I've got two of them. I'm just going to do this first one. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to butterfly it right on the spine. That's my first cut, right along that bone line. Then I'm gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side of the bone line. And you can tell, just run along the back of the bones. And so that's how I want my fish. That's how I want it. So that when it cooks, I can just fan it out and you'll see that. So stay tuned. All right, I got both of my fish clean. I cut them up, had to take them inside and rinse them off. But if you can see again, we just exposing the spine just a little bit. And this is a meaty fish. If you can look at there, look at all that meat. This is a very meaty fish. Same with this one, just exposing the spine. And now what we're gonna do is, of course, we're gonna put some slits on it. 1, 2, be careful, 3. Not too deep. Same with this one. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. I need to sharpen my knife a little bit. 1, 2, 3. And this fish is pretty thick, if you can notice. So this is gonna take a while to get right. So basically, it's gonna be a very simple treatment on this one. Olive oil, canola oil, whatever you have, on both sides, all over the fish, even the head, the tail. Because again, we're gonna grill this over some pretty high heat, not too crazy, but it will be pretty high. And then this right here is my seasoning. It's a Grill and Dust label, but it's actually a new season that I'm working on. And I'm just gonna go with a light coat. Light coat, as always. Season the inside. Same deal on this one. Season the inside, light coat, flip it over. A coat on that side, the tail also. You know, a lot of people like to eat on the tail. Alright. And that's it. Very simple treatment. because we still got a little sauce that we're gonna make to go along with this fish. So I'm gonna put it on the pig. Y'all stay tuned. All right, our temp is sitting at about 375, 380. I'm about to work fast, as you know this thing will ramp up on me real quick. Just gonna wipe this grill grate down a little bit. A little olive oil on the grates. I put some on the fish, but I'm just trying to make sure it don't stick. And that's it. We're going on. First one. Let me get y'all in here with me. That's the first one. Pressing them down a little bit. And that's the second one. I got it over one grill grate. And we're gonna let it roll. This fish probably gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes to cook because it's pretty thick. So, catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys. While the fish is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get everything ready for the sauce that we're gonna make. It's gonna be a citrus-based sauce, basically, with a little twist to it, and we'll get to the twist later. But to start the sauce off, we're gonna have, I got 3 slices of lemon. We're gonna use a whole stick of butter because whatever you don't use on the fish today will sit in the refrigerator and last you for the next cook. All right, so we've got our butter, a little paper towel. We're gonna go in with some capers, however many you like. I tend to like capers, so I'm gonna go in with a few of them. And then we're also gonna go in with some peppers. This is a medley of peppers, garlic, and some white onion. And I'm gonna do about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons of that. And this is the kicker. Champagne, extra dry. This is some champagne we had left over from mimosa, so we're gonna pour just a smidget of that in there. Just a little bit. And we're gonna put this on the fire. And then this, we'll put it at the very end. Won't tell you what it is yet. This will be all a secret. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fish is on. Go ahead and put our sauce in there as well while the fish is cooking. Fish has been on there probably about 3 minutes right now. Y'all stay tuned. All right, fish has been on there probably about 7 minutes. As you can see, it's still not cooked through. You can look right here and tell it's still not cooked through. So I'm not gonna do anything with it. I was gonna flip it over, but I'm gonna ramp the heat up on the grill, put the lid back on, and keep it moving. All right, fish is going. I just took the lid off. I'm just gonna let it run up a little bit. I'm battling the rain now, but the video must go on. Rain, sleet, or snow. Trying to run the temp up really a lot higher, just so my skin don't stick, because again, I do want to flip this fish. I want to get the skin crispy on both sides. Our citrus champagne butter sauce is looking good. It's cooking down. We're good to go. We're probably about 10 minutes into this cook. So far, so good. You can hear it going. Laying on grill grate, y'all. Stay tuned.